This is a brief demonstration of my Windows app, Map-O-Matic, and how to load existing maps. So let's show you that with a few examples. From the file menu, you select load existing map, which of course you have to have maps first before there are any existing maps, either having created a file with the information, creating them that way, or creating them manually right in the app by entering the data in the app. So assuming you've done that, you've got at least one map, you can load the existing map. The dialog comes up allowing you to select which one you want to look at. So we'll briefly look at a few of these. 1861 is the 1861 battles of the US Civil War. Even that first year of the war, there were quite a few spread all over the place, all the way from New Mexico to Virginia. And what you can do with the colors here, this shows what you can do with the colors. For example, the Union victories I've made blue, the Confederate victories gray, the undecideds are black. There's even a red, which is a Native American victory, because some of the Indian wars were taking place at the same time as the Civil War. Let's look at another one. Eagles' birthplaces. If you look at a lot of, and this is the band, the country rock band, the Eagles, not literal birds. A lot of bands would be kind of boring to see where they were born because they're all born in the same place. The Beatles were all born in Liverpool. Creedence Clearwater Revival, most of them were born in the same city in the Bay Area of California, two of them being brothers. But the Eagles are interesting because they're from all over the place, from California to Florida, Minnesota, Michigan, even Scotts Bluff, Nebraska, just all over the country. Let's take a look at another one. That one, as you saw, it had all the default push pin color. What about Gold Rush County seats? The counties of California that are considered the Gold Rush, you've got the southern mines, 1, 2, 3, and the northern mines, 4 through 7. The county seat of Mariposa County is Mariposa. Tuolumne County, Sonora. Calaveras County, San Andreas. Amador County, Jackson. Now here's a couple of interesting ones. El Dorado County seat is Placerville, but Placer County seat is Auburn. And then finally, you've got Nevada City in Nevada County. Again, the default gold pushpin color. The last one we'll look at is places lived. It's places that I have lived in my life. From Alaska to New York City, Brooklyn to be more specific, and several places in California, plus a few places around the country between California and New York. Again, the standard color. Let's show an example since it's getting a little too monochromatic here. I did make one that just shows the colors, all the colors that are available that you can use for push pins. And finally, we'll look at the hiking trails on a European hiking trail in Switzerland. Actually, it starts off Vaduz and Liechtenstein, and all the rest of it is Switzerland. This map style may not be the best for this. That gives you a little better example of the terrain. You've also got the road map, which we saw. And well, that's the one we started off with, I think. So that's it. It's easy. Once you've got the maps in there, you just select load existing map, select a map, and it will be loaded up. So that's it for this tutorial of how to use Map-O-Matic.